Hello, grade 1. How are you? Everything's fine? Inshallah, everything will be fine. And today we are going to have the last lesson in the vocabulary book. We are going to do together the new words in lesson 14. The lesson is called The Big Race, and I had before a video for the story The Big Race. I discussed the story and I discussed also some the words. Let's revise together the words, and we are going to answer the pages in the book. I already answered these pages with the students who were attending with me the online session today. So the first word is the word over. Over means what? Over, to be over, like my hand here. My hand is over my head. My hand is over my head, not on my head, over my head. The next one, watch. Watch has two meanings. The word watch has the meaning of to look at, like I watch television, and watch is my watch. I wear a watch in my hand to know the time. Into. I came into the class. Okay? I came into the class. This word is very easy. It's the word for. Number 4. Starts. It starts, and then I put S when I'm using it with he or she or it. It's a grammar lesson. We will leave it now. So start, to begin something, to begin doing something. 5. 3, 2, nothing. So these are my words today. We are going to answer some pages in the book, in the vocabulary book. Okay, open please to page 59. Open to page 59. Okay. In page 59 in the, so remember here, it's the vocabulary book. It's the vocabulary book. Okay? In page 59, I have the words. He always writes to me the words on this page in order to revise them before I start answering the pages. I have the words here. 4, starts, 5, 3, into, 2, over, watch. If you turn the book like this, you will find the same words. Number 1. Let's go to the pool. So, let's go. Let's go where? I will say let's go. To the pool. To the pool. Starts. To the pool. To the pool. Let's go over. Let's go over. Like I can say, I will come over to see something in your house, for example. Go over. So let's go over to the pool. Yes. Let's go over to the pool and the swimming race. And what the swimming race? I have a swimming race here. So let's go over to the pool, and there is a swimming race. You know the swimming race? It's like the race, but not running it's not by running, it's by swimming. So it's a race and I'm going to swim. So let's go over to the pool and watch the swimming race. So you will write into and then over, and then you will write watch. Number 2, the race, it begins. The race begins. I'm going to watch the race. So the race what? The race, which word means begins? The race starts. The race starts. So number 2 is starts. Then, do you remember grade 1 when you are in the class and I tell you I'm going to count to 5 with an opposite order, and you are going, for example, to finish. So I tell you 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, for example. It's the same here. The man who is counting, he is saying, the last number is 1. I have to write 4 words. I have here, look, 4 words, word and word 4, and then the last one is 1. So I will start with 5, very good. So the first one, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. So 5, 4, 3, 2. So number 3 is 5, 4, 3, 2. And then the last one. The swimmers dive the pool. So when he said 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so the swimmers dive into the pool. The swimmers dive into the pool. Okay? The next page, I'm going to choose one word. Number 1. I like to the fish swim in their tank. I like to what the fish? I like to into the fish, or I like to watch the fish? I like to watch the fish. Please listen to me, because I cannot make the book, I cannot see if I make the book like this. Number 2, the friends have lots of fun. The what friends have lots of fun? The starts friends have lots of fun, or the 5 friends have lots of fun? Of course, the 5 friends. I cannot say the starts friends. Number 3, Jen has cats. Jen has 2 cats, or starts cats? Jen has 2 cats. Jen has 2 cats. Number 4, Dad packed snacks for the of us. We are sitting and Dad prepared something to us. So I'm saying Dad packed snacks for the 4 of us. For the 4 of us. Very good. Number 5. Ed will come to play today. Ed will come what? Will come into to play, or will come over to play? I cannot say will come, I can say into the house, okay? But I cannot say Ed will come into to. Into comes by itself. So Ed will come over to play today. This is number 5. Number 6. I will draw a picture of animals. I will draw a picture of 3 animals, or into animals. I will draw a picture of 3 animals. Very good. Number 7. Matt to drum and Meg sings. Matt is the boy, Meg is the girl. She starts to sing. So Matt will do what? Into to drum, or starts to drum? Of course it starts to drum. Number 8. Mel puts his caps a box. Mel puts his caps into a box, or fall a box? Into a box. Very good. Turn the book. I have the same words. Number 1. There are 8 words and I have only 5 sentences in page 62. Number 1. Josh school in the fall. Fall, it's the autumn, when the summer is finished and then the autumn comes. So Josh what? School. I have to put an action word. So I have only 2 action words. I have starts and watch. So Josh starts school in the fall. Okay? Number 2. There are weeks in a month. How many weeks in the month? How many weeks? The month is 30 days and the week is 7 days. So the month has 4 weeks. Oops, sorry. There are 4 weeks in a month. So number 2 is the word 4. Number 3. The weather gets warmer as spring turns summer. Every season it turns to the other season. Yani winter, it turns into spring. Then spring, it turns into summer. Then summer, it turns into autumn. Okay? Or fall. So the weather gets warmer as spring turns into summer. Number 4. We stood on the bridge to the tall ships. The bridge, you know, when there is a river or a sea, sometimes they make a bridge. So if someone wants to, when someone wants to cross the river to the other side or to the sea to the other side, so it's called a bridge. So some people, they like to stand on the bridge to watch the ships. So we stood on the bridge to watch the ship. Spot jumped the fence and ran away. Spot jumped over the fence. The fence is like this and the dog jumps over the fence. So this is the last page. Page 63 is homework grade 1. Okay? Please, I want you to do this for me. Do the homework and send it to me, and do the pages. If you didn't attend my session, the online session today, please do the 4 pages and send them to me, and I will be very happy. Thank you very much for attending and for listening to me. Please finish everything and send them to me, and I will be very happy. This was the last session, the vocabulary lesson. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I hope to see you soon.